Hello everyone, I'm here to discuss about the Geography Optional course that we are starting from 20th of April 2025 in Vajiram and Ravi. Optional plays a very important role in deciding a candidate's rank and whether the candidate will find his name or her name in the list or not. Now, if the optional subject is chosen wisely, then in that case, optional subject will help you in scoring good marks as well as in helping you to achieve a good rank. Talking about the optional course that we are going to start in Vajiram and Ravi, we are a group of 3 teachers. Myself, Shivarpit Kothari, I will be taking up topics of paper 2. Vaishali Anand, Ms. Vaishali Anand is going to take up the topics related to environment and biogeography, and Mr. Rizwan Ahmed, who is going to take up the topics related to paper 1, both physical as well as human geography. Geography has been a very popular subject since a very long period of time. And one of the reasons why or what makes geography very popular is that it has a good overlap with the general studies topics, especially the topics that we have in GS paper 1, topics that we have in GS paper 3 means examination. So they have a good overlap with the general studies topics. So if you are studying geography optional, then in that case, your work in GS is quite limited. So geography optional, like other papers, will have 2 papers. One is paper 1, second is paper 2. Paper 1 deals with physical geography of the world, that is fundamentals of geography. And part B of paper 1 deals with the human geography of the world. In paper 2 also we have 10 units and we are going to apply the concepts that we learned in paper 1 in Indian context in paper 2. See, as of now, there is no shortage of information, or I can say information overload is the major problems that the candidates face today. The major problem that they face is what to study and what to leave. You can prepare the geography optional through the self-study as well, but in the coaching classes, you will get a fair idea about the importance of the topics and their relevance in the examination. Second, certain topics are a bit complex and difficult to understand, and through the coaching classes, you can save a lot of time as those topics will be explained to you in a simple and a lucid manner. The evaluation of the answers. So you'll be encouraged to write the previous year's questions. Those will be discussed at length in class. So we will also conduct the regular class tests. We will also try to solve the previous year's questions. So it will also help you in developing an understanding about how to approach the answer writing. Suppose you know a lot of things, but you are not able to express yourself. In that case, you will not be able to impress the examiner. So one of the very important parts of UPSC preparation is the art of answer writing, and that would help you in scoring good marks. So for any kind of queries that you have related to the optional subject, get in touch with the counselors. So the number is to be displayed on the screen.